Tello, how to update the firmware. Updating the drone's firmware makes the Tello more stable and fun. Here, we will show you how to update the firmware. Connect the mobile device to an available network. Launch the latest version of the Tello app. If a new firmware version is available, the app will notify you to download it. Tap Start to download the latest firmware. When firmware downloaded is shown in the Tello app, connect the mobile device to the Tello's Wi-Fi. Go back to the Tello app and then tap Update. After the update is complete, the Tello app will prompt that the update was successful. The aircraft will automatically restart. Make sure that the Tello's battery level is more than 50% before updating. Do not turn off the aircraft or exit the Tello app during the update. Thank you for watching.